Today, China is showing the entire world what humans are capable of creating. Bridges that look like they're floating in the air, railway lines cutting through mountains, and massive cities rising in just a few months. But have you ever wondered how China builds all this so fast? The secret is China has super machines so powerful and so intelligent that they've completely changed the meaning of construction. Work that once took years is now completed in weeks. These machines slice through mountains, dig tunnels deep underground, and raise bridges high above the sea. They are the real engine behind China's rapid development, and the most surprising part is that no other country has machines this advanced. Today, you'll see China's 8 most unbelievable machines that are transforming global construction forever. And the final machine, number 1, will completely change the way you think about the future. Number 8, the ship that creates land from the sea. Imagine a machine that can turn water into land. This is China's Tiacan dredging ship, often called the Magic Island Maker. It's Asia's largest dredger, 140 meters long and 28 meters wide. Every hour, it can pull up 6,000 cubic meters of sand and rock, enough to fill an Olympic swimming pool in just 20 minutes. The Tiacan sucks sand from deep under the sea and pumps it through giant pipes to another location. This is how China has created new islands, ports, factories, even military bases, right in the ocean. Built in 2017 for $170 million, this ship is literally reshaping the map of the Earth. Number 7. The tunnel-boring giants TBMs. These machines look like huge spaceships entering the Earth. China's tunnel-boring machines are massive. Some have cutting heads over 20 meters wide and bodies stretching hundreds of meters long. They carve tunnels inside mountains, under rivers, and beneath cities. In the 3,000-meter-high mountains of Tibet, these machines worked with special cooling systems to survive the extreme heat. Inside Jinnan's Yellow River Tunnel, TBMs dig 15 meters every single day. And here's the brilliant part. They use AI technology. The machine studies the soil, adjusts speed automatically, detects obstacles, and avoids danger before it happens. These TBMs are building metro tunnels under Beijing, Shanghai, and other major cities, meaning China is constructing new cities not only above ground, but also underground. Number 6. Precision CNC machines. Now, let's talk about machines that perform the most delicate, perfect, and accurate work. China's precision machines, CNC systems, are so accurate that they don't make even a hair-thin error. They cut, shape, and carve steel and other tough materials 24 hours a day without stopping. China now produces over 40% of the world's precision machines. With AI-powered diagnostics, these machines can even predict when they need maintenance. Companies like Shandong Huaya Machinery build systems that can work from 5 directions at once, crafting parts for skyscrapers, mega projects, and enormous steel structures. These machines are the brain behind China's construction revolution. Number 5. The 580-ton Iron Monster. Meet China's most extraordinary bridge-building machine, the Iron Monster. Less speed. One thing is clear, the future of construction belongs to machines. Would you trust a robot to build your home or your city?